I think you should definitely do it, because look, it works, it pays, and if it's as neat as ours is, it certainly isn't obtrusive or offensive, and so don't be worried about that. Look, it really does pay, but it pays to go for the top quality, something that you know is going to give you the best, and will last. It will go the distance. Absolutely first class. They were incredibly efficient. They arrived one day, installed it, virtually gone the next. Everything done, very neat, and it was up and running. It was just outstanding. I can't speak more highly of them. Just so very efficient. Everything they said it would do, it has done, and we're eternally grateful for that. And the thing that really impressed us was that because we do get a bit of shade here, if one panel goes out with the other ones, it all goes out. With this, if you lose a panel because it's in the shade, everything else is still working. And that, I think, was the main thing that sold it to me, was the fact that we know we get shade, but we still get the benefit of it. Stop being hesitant, just go ahead and do it. It pays. And you're not horrified when you get your electricity bills. It makes you a much more pleasant person.